truly a historic moment. We are in Dras and we have the backdrop of Tiger Hill and Batra Point in the backdrop, and the star cast of Sher Shah and the director Vishnu Vardhan, Siddharth Malhotra, Kiara Advani. Pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so
And
much.
Vishnu, you've done a lot of research in terms of meeting a lot of people who knew Vikram Batra. You took quite a bit of time in terms of writing the whole thing. How tough was it for you to just zero in on the final script? Because I'm sure that there must be many stories that you would have loved to put it inside. And how tough was the editing part?
See, as I told you, it's not. We took a lot of time, close to 6 to 8 months. Myself and Sandeep Srivastava, we travelled all over because all the officers were placed who served with Vikram Batra, who are promoted today in a higher ranking positions. They were placed all over, from Kashmir to Punjab to everywhere, all over they were placed. So we had to meet all of them and we had to gather all those stories. Now, when you actually look at it, including the people who was Vikram Batra's very close friends, his college and everybody. Now, Vishal Batra, the twin brother, and Vikram, that it's a film by itself.
Of course.
Yeah, so
and
much.
when you talk about Dimple and Vikram Batra, that it's a film by itself. And if you look at Vikram Batra's journey in the force, that is a film by itself. So what is the thing? So that is where you have to take certain decisions, because I would definitely not want to edit the film. I would want to at least release. It doesn't matter how it is, because I know there's so much of amazing stories that they have to offer in real life. So we had to decide only one thing, that is, what was Vikram Batra known for? Captain Vikram Batra was known for his achievement on the battlefield. Right. So that is the core. That is the core actually. So you need to focus. It's like, when you talk about a known legend, or when you talk about unknown legends, the difference when you're making a biopic is, and you need to see how they were from their child, what went through and all these things. But whereas he was known only for capturing the peak, so that is the character. So that is the story that you need to really zero down. Right. It was very difficult.
Yeah.
I still don't like it, but I had to do it.
Of course.
But at the same time, I had to have Vishal Batra in the film, and I had to have the most strongest factor in him is his love story actually. Truth is stranger than fiction. It is impossible to even think of something like that could happen real, which actually Dimple and Vikram had played.
Yeah.
It is unbelievable to see the girls' dedication towards Vikram and the kind of impact Vikram Batra had on Dimple. That was a beauty, that was a core essence of, because whoever you are or whatever you do, love is part of everybody's life. It's a part of soldier's life. It's a part of a businessman's life. It's a part of everybody's life. Love is universal.
Absolutely.
So that was the most beautiful thing which happened in his life also. So that was also it's a soldier and the core of his life.
Right. I genuinely hope that at some stage Amazon would want to showcase the unedited version, or maybe like a longer version of whatever you guys
Maybe
have
make a
shot,
series of it.
because that should be
Mini-series.
very interesting.
Yeah.
All right, so you have, I think, a very important dialogue in the promo that we've seen. If you are a Fauji, you live by chance, you love by choice, and you
Fight by
fight by
profession.
profession. I think it sums up the life of a soldier beautifully in terms of professionalism, or what he's supposed to do.
No, absolutely, and I think very well written by Sandeep, our writer.
Sandeep Srivastava.
Yeah, Sandeep Srivastava, and that sums up Vikram Batra as well. He believed in it. He believed in the institution of the army. He believed in protecting the country and motherland, and he aspired to be a soldier since a very young age. They used to watch Doordarshan में आता था ना Paramveer Chakra.
Right.
So they used to show all different heroes. So him and Vishal used to watch those TV shows and just aspire कि हम में से कोई आएगा इस पे. And it's such an ironic journey that he's had, that he actually is obviously Paramveer Chakra. He's got after post he अपनी कुर्बानी दी.
जी.
So he never got to see it, but he actually lived it, and I find that very fascinating, to get into a mindset of a soldier who will do nothing but do his duty, and even if there are so many obstacles in front of him, he'll never back down. And he actually lived that with a lot of style and panache by saying, ये दिल मांगे मोर सा, मैं इसके बाद रुकने नहीं वाला हूँ.
That's beautifully said. I think
Yeah.
the way you've said it, it's so much of heart into it. Okay, and there's another very important point that as a soldier, more than religion, that's just fighting for the country. That is something that's bigger than any
No,
religion
absolutely.
whatsoever.
What we've tried, as Vishnu was saying, that we wish we could show all the other aspects of Vikram's life, but we've taken jhalaks of his life, whether it's his love story with Dimple, whether it's his story from his forces, or his personal life with his family. And that's where one other thing, when you talk about a soldier, that was his only dharam. Like,
जी,
you know, he was waiting कि अच्छा अभी मुझे मौका मिलेगा, you know, battlefield में जाने का. I want to prove that, you know, I can protect my motherland, and
Of course.
I want to lead my troops. And when we spoke to all his comrades, they used to say, his subordinates used to say कि यार जब बत्रा साहब होते ना तो हमें safe लग, हमें we feel safe, क्योंकि he genuinely used to lead them in front with facing bullets, and you know कि तुम मेरे पीछे आओ. Otherwise, in some other you know scenarios, somebody, because he's senior, he can also order you around. He doesn't really need to. He can strategize from behind or some other areas. But Vikram, being Vikram, used to always love to lead.
A lot of leadership qualities.
And yeah, and they used to respect and love him for that.
No, absolutely. All right, so Kiara Advani recently completed 7 years in the industry, and
yeah.
it's so fascinating to
Makes me
see her
feel
journey.
So-
And if any actor starts surprising after a point of time in terms of with each performance, I think that's a very positive sign.
Absolutely.
And you know, there is an element of perfectionism that you're trying to bring to your performances. जिस तरीके से आप पंजाबी बोल रही हैं इसमें. Did you know Punjabi beforehand?
Not at
Yeah,
all. I mean,
exactly.
I had, of course, the exposure with,
Right.
I'd say primarily with Good News, because, of course, when you're
course.
working with Diljit and we were paired opposite each other, and we were meant to be from there,
Right.
it comes naturally. But in this film, the Punjabi is more thet.
Right. More interior.
There's more,
Chandigarh ki
yeah,
Sardarni
Chandigarh ki
hai, हाँ.
Sardarni hai, and I think I would give full credit to Sandeep sir, because he's at the dialogues, he would perfect the nuances and tell me what to stress on and what not to. So he helped me with that. But yeah, I don't think that's really sweet of you to say that I'm trying, you know, perfecting my
but
performances.
it is, you know, it is a surprise the way you
Yeah.
started off.
Yeah, you've
And,
seen the whole journey.
Right. And she was determined कि मैं आलिया अपने नाम में नहीं रहना चाहती, मेरा नाम अलग होना चाहिए कुछ. It should establish something else.
Correct.
So she was very clear since the beginning, from the first film itself. And I think that was foresight in a
Yeah,
way.
she'll surprise you every day on set.
Right.
Every day, no doubt about it. Because I always got surprised whenever she gets on stage to perform. So
Right.
every day it's a surprise actually. And especially certain parts, I mean, Kiara just made it more beautiful like you can't imagine. And I mean, it's very intense. I could say she really killed it. Kiara really killed it. She gave a lot of life
Has
to
he
it.
told you this before?
Yeah, after we watched
yeah,
the
she's
film.
used to this.
तारीफ
आदत
करने
है.
की-
No,
I was
not
thinking
with so
out
many
of it,
words,
yeah.
but we did. We recently watched the film, and I was discussing something, the last scene with sir, and he said, you know, you told me I'm going to do this only once. Apparently, I did realize I had told him that. So it's basically, to put more context to it, the last scene in the film is the funeral scene, and it's when Dimple sees Vikram for the last time. And we actually shot that scene where it actually happened in Palampur, the real location. And when it happened, back then, the entire town, everyone from all over had come to, you know, to pay their respects to
Of course.
Captain Vikram Batra. So we had a lot of junior artists on set to, you know, to show the whole town had come. There was also Vishal Batra, his twin brother, who had come that day, who was also there. And it was
Very difficult.
very difficult for, I think there was something in the air that day, I can't explain it, that was very emotional. And I remember just before my take, and it was a close-up shot. He started with my close-up because he knew that, you know, these are certain shots you can't, keep doing. You can't take multiple takes. And when I was sitting in the car before that, and he came to me, and he told me what I had to do. And I was already like about to cry. And I said, "So I'm only giving you one take. Just go. I'm getting into it." And I remember I was performing, but I could hear sniffles all around me. The entire crew, every single other actor on set, even the army that, like Shiv Pandit,
The
everybody who was playing the other officers in the film who was standing, and they're not supposed to cry. And nobody could help it. It was almost like, it's just a feeling of just immense gratitude for Captain Vikram Batra. And so, but that scene, I remember when I was seeing it, I was asking sir something about that close-up, and he said, "Do you remember you only gave me, like, that's all I have. That's my only scene." And I didn't know that because I'm an actor who always wants more takes.
Dil Mange
So,
More.
yeah, Dil Mange More, always.
She always wants more
that's
takes, but I
when
made sure I used only that one take, which was extraordinarily brilliant.
That was the only take. But yeah, I think even like when you said clarity, I want to come back because I haven't spoken of Dimple, and I think that's, you know, the most beautiful reason why I wanted to play this character, to play her part. I don't think I know anybody who's as strong and as committed as she is. And I think if Vikram fought for the country, she fought for love. I think that's who she really was, and she really is. So yeah, I think it's honestly an honor to be portraying her in this film. And
Did you meet her?
Yes, I did. I feel it's really important to meet when you have the opportunity to. You really try to make it happen. So thanks to Vishal Batra, I was shooting in Chandigarh much before we started the film, and he got her to meet with me, and it was amazing because she spoke with so much happiness in her eyes. It was like she was reliving those memories like it happened yesterday. There was just a smile on her face. It wasn't that sadness. It was more like pride. It was more like, it was just lovely to hear about him firsthand from her and to hear about their love story. And you don't make women like that. I mean, today in this society where there's so much pressure on marriage, to see a woman stand by her choice and say, you know what, this is the man I've loved and I choose to remain unmarried because she feels he's always with her, always around, his presence is always there. And that's so beautiful.
No, absolutely. Siddharth, it's clearly, I think, one of your most special performances, maybe the most special performance. Tell us something about the physical makeover that you had to do and a lot of these army nuances that you have to get right. Like you say, because you know, if you don't get that right and you're showing it to army people, they'll catch it.
No, absolutely. So we had to. We have different looks because we also starting a little earlier of his college life and then we go into Sopor, where he joined the forces, and then maturing, finally coming to Kargil. So we've had about 3 different looks for this character, and for Vikram Batra, where we've used different facial hair. We've also changed hair lengths.
Right.
So there's a lot of prep that went into we were deciding Vishnu as to how he would look at different places. And we've also tried to keep it very authentic. Like in Kargil, they had a beard because they didn't have time to groom.
More than that, the skin would dry. If you shave, it would peel your skin.
Yeah,
so
it
they
was
couldn't
so
shave.
high and dry. So we needed to get that really worn-out, rugged look of actually fighting for 2 months. So that was the look aspect of it. And then prepping as to how he was personally. I think for me, he has 2 very distinct personalities. He's a very good-hearted, charming Punjabi boy with his family. Yaro ka yaar kisam ka, very sweet, very all about heart.
Right.
And when it came to the forces, he was very focused and a great leader. So that gave me a nice variety within one film to play. When he has the gun in his hand, when he's leading his troop, he's very focused. He's like, and he's very slightly, I think, too eager as well. Ki karte na, come, let's go. Yeah, I can't wait.
Adrenaline
Let's do
pump.
this. Yeah, so he's very enthusiastic and he's very.
He was very young at that point of time.
Confidence. Yeah, he sadly passed away 24. So all his victorious instances are all in his early 20s when he joined the forces. So for me, prep went into the force aspect of it because there are a lot of etiquettes as to how they follow hierarchy, what are their body languages, even simple gun is off safety and when they want to fire it. We were lucky enough to have the army with us to teach us all of that. We also trained in Mumbai, we also trained in Kargil. The whole crew actually went through a nice training camp, that we would say, where we would get up in Bombay and do physical fitness, do gun training, do drills to get them a feel of what the army will be. And for me, I love playing this character. I feel it's one of my most passionate characters. It's such a passion project for me because on paper he just inspired me, and I just love getting into that head zone where somebody's not scared of anything. Yeah.
Right. So you've spoken about just last couple of things. बहुत सारी चीजें वैसे पूछ सकते हैं. In the promo, we are seeing Vikram Batra. When Vishal Batra came yesterday, my sentiment was that I would want to maybe speak to him and see Vikram Batra in his eyes because they're twins. Yeah. It must be so fascinating for
Identical.
people around him, the family, that you are looking at a face and maybe that face is no more, the other part. So how was the experience of playing Vishal Batra?
All the comrades get goosebumps whenever they meet Vishal because they're identical twins, and Vishal also wanted to join the forces, unfortunately could not.
Ji, ji.
And you could see when he was there yesterday with General Joshi that the amount of love and respect that they have for him because of his brother.
Even protocols, he knew everything.
Yeah, he's very passionate. And Vishal is actually the main reason that we all are here today.
He's almost half forged now.
Yeah, I know. Correct. He could be serving, but unfortunately he's not. So he's the reason that we made this film today. He's the first person that I met from the family. And for us to portray him, we've again tried to show as much as we can between the brothers, but we've used different techniques. Vishnu and Sandeep have come up with different jhalaks to show Vishal as well in the film. We would like people to see it and then understand it.
Of course,
later.
of course. So last question to Vishnu. See, this is my perception. I may be wrong, but I think maybe I may be right. That when you must have started off the research, and by the time you've met all the people and the writing part, maybe your perspective about a lot of things may have changed, even about war and a lot of other things. What I felt when I watched the promo first and when I saw it again, I saw more nuances the second time around, more nuances the third time around. And I think if any film or any visual, if they have subtext, I think it has a longer shelf life. It's not merely just saying one thing.
Exactly.
There's more to it. Was that important for you? Is subtext important for you?
No, because it is very important actually, because everything lies in the detailing and everything lies in the subtext of what is actually being
Ji.
expressed and told. That is what happened even because once when you know about Vikram Batra is what you read, what you actually, the initial stages of it, but the moment when you start traveling with the people who, see, it's a very strange thing, is about somebody talking about another person.
Of
So
course.
everybody would have different perspectives of their perception of what Vikram Batra is.
Of course.
What Captain Vikram Batra is. So Vikram Batra as a friend, Vikram Batra as a officer, and Vikram Batra as a colleague. So there are different versions, and even the juniors who actually the way they looked at him, and how he used to. He was like he said, Johnny to everybody, but he never saw any discrimination. No, that was very unique in everybody's perception actually. Everybody's
Very
perception.
warm, good-hearted.
He would just, it's like you just sit and talk to somebody, you will feel very nice, you'll start loving the person no matter what. This is one of the officers in Delhi told me who has not served with him but who met him only twice. And he couldn't take it actually. Just twice he met him and he couldn't take Captain Vikram Batra's passing away. It was very, very, so everybody had a different person. Now to put everything together was a very, very difficult thing to, so that's where actually the subtext actually falls in, where you see the officers, where you see someone, how they actually looked at him, how they actually took him as a person.
Definitely. All right. So I think there's a lot more that we can talk, but there are a lot many more interviews happening after this. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations
Thank you
for
so
a fantastic promo. Looking forward to the film and hopefully the unedited version, hopefully as well, maybe at some stage.
You never know.
And so thank you very much and happy birthday to you in advance,
Thank
Kiara.
you.
And congratulations,
Thank you so
Siddharth.
Thank
and
you.
nice
Happy
meeting
birthday.
you, Vishnu.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
sir.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.